Sobrang init na kailangan ko ng ice. Yo! Di nawawala, nag-i-improvise. Whoa! Yo, what's up mga pre? It's your boy Jan Smith Yap, and I am here back again with another video, no? No mga pre, in this video mga pre, in this video mga pre, ako ay magtatagalog mga pre. Because someone, datang lighting, sun-kissed skin. Just like what I said mga pre, I'll be using only two languages anina video mga pre. I'll be using two languages. And this is the Filipino, the Tagalog, and the English language, which is my mother tongue, which is English. I'm just learning Tagalog for the meantime because I'm here in the Philippines, so I'll just be the one to adjust to all the Filipinos in this country. No, parang kaintindi din sila naman sa akin. I'm very sorry if hindi talaga ako magaling mag-Tagalog, because this is not my first language. So, in this video mga pre, I'll just be using Taglish, Taglish, which is Tagalog and English mga pre. I'll try my best, not to use my mother tongue, which is English by the way. I also know Bisaya a little bit, so it's very hard for me to cope up with the language barrier. Wow, what a word, man! What an English word. No mga pre, just kidding aside mga pre, in this video talaga mga pre ay magtatagalog ako, This is because someone, maybe not just someone, a lot of people na pala, a lot of people have been requesting na I'll use Tagalog na people. I just want to make the whole country happy mga pre. So upang makaintindi naman sila sa akin, I'll use Tagalog, mga pre. So, and also mga pre, my classmate, I forgot ano yung pangalan niya. He requested, or he or she, I don't know. He or she requested mga pre, mag-vlog ako sa labas ng bahay. Nag-request siya kasi on my recent vlogs, my recent vids, I was just filming on my room, I'm just filming there because, trip ko lang, Huwag magbuot, Don't judge me, don't be judger. He or she requested na mag-vlog ako sa labas ng bahay, So wait lang Wait ka lang. Mag-vlog ako sa labas ng bahay. Okay, no problem. Wait lang Nasa labas na ako, masaya ka na? Dahil bored tayo mga pre, ilalabas tayo ng bahay. We'll just be enjoying the neighborhood, This is neighborhood tour mga pre. It's so mainit, It's so mainit mga pre. The sun is so warm. You feel me? Sun-kissed skin. My glass skin is very damaging. So, I'm going outside the home. I'm going outside our house, mga pre. Lalabas ako ng bahay. Tapos, tingin-tingin sa kanan, sa kaliwa. Walang tao, lalabas na ako. So, I am outside our house, mga pre. And this is our neighborhood tour. So, in today's video mga pre, mag-neighborhood tour tayo. And as you can see, wala akong neighbors, tanga. Sa bukid ako, And mga pre, in my background, yung nasa back ko, nasa likod ko, yung nasa likod ko mga pre, is yan yung bahay ng tita ko, hindi sa akin, Hindi sa akin. Bahay ng tita ko. Diyan ako nakatira kasi I am currently studying here in Uzami City, Misamis University. And I'm staying here for the meantime kasi wala akong ibang bahay na matutuluyan. Mga pre, So, laki-laki ng bahay, Di lang sa amin, Yan lang mga pre, Ang laki-laki ng bahay, tapos napaka-boring. Napaka-boring mga pre. Alam mo ba kung bakit? Laki-laki ng bahay, wala namang TV. Wala namang wifi, so anong gagawin natin? Diba? So in here mga pre, we're gonna be exploring the jungle. Exploring the jungle here in Bungbong, Sami City. Dito tayo sa tapat ng bahay namin. I don't know what we're gonna do. Ano bang gagawin natin mga pre? Baka matamahan tayo ng mga niyog dyan. Niyog ba? Niyog bang lubi? Niyog lagi. So mga pre, we are here sa bukid. This is my neighbors, mga pre. Mga coconut trees. Yung neighbors ko. Di ba? Saya, di ba? Napakalaki na niya, oh. So, maliit pa siya noon, mga pre. Napakalaki mo na, no? Yun talaga mga pre, no? Sad talaga ng life ko dito kasi boring. Walang wifi, walang TV. Oo, tama yung narinig mo mga pre. Walang wifi sa bahay namin. Kaya kapag nag-upload ako ng video sa YouTube account ko, gumagamit lang ako ng data. Saklap, di ba? And back again mga pre. Nandito pa din ako sa tapat ng bahay namin. Wala akong magawa. Ano ba to? Mini bukid. Kasi parang bukid kaso maliit lang. So mini mountains, no? Mini mountains mga pre. I am here at Mini Mountains, Bongbong, Uzami City. This is a home for you and home for all. For all animals. Kayo mga animal kayo, kaya pumunta na kayo dito, no? This is your home. As we are here, we're gonna be touring. Touring ba? Yung tamang term. Yung maglalakad lang. I don't know, but we're gonna be lakad-lakading here. What the lakad-lakading? We're gonna be basta maglalakad lang tayo mga pre, no? Kasi wala tayong magawa. It's so happy in this neighborhood mga pre, no? I think I'm the only person in here. Walang tao dito. Ako lang. Bored ako, mag-TikTok tayo mga pre. Oh, TikTok. Renegade, renegade. What? Renegade, renegade. What? I like the way she makes me smile, she makes me skirt, skirt. Come vibe with me. If you are free, call me when it's free. You don't have to tell nobody. You know, so mga pre, I'm tired of walking around, so I'm just sitting here. Yan mga pre, no? Share ko lang mga pre kung on why I started vlogging. I started vlogging mga pre because I'm not just into the money, yung makukuha mo dito na pera sa pag-vlog, gano'n. So that's not really my goal mga pre. Kaya ako nag-vlog. Kaya ako nag-vlog mga pre is that ginusto ko ito. No, this is my, passion. Yung video, yung pag-vlog. No, since I was little mga pre, filming myself was really my passion. No? I really like to film myself na yung kahit mga kagaguhan ko lang yung binibideo ko. It started when I was 12 mga pre, no? When I was 12 years old. My father, my daddy, no, had bought me a Samsung Galaxy Pocket, yung cellphone na maliit, no? Yung maliit na cellphone. Kahit yun lang yung binigay niya sa akin when I was 12 mga pre. Napakasaya ko na noon, no? You know why mga pre? You know why? It is because mga pre, it has a camera on it, no? And touchscreen pa, kaya my dream was to have a phone na may camera at touchscreen. So yun nga, binigay sa akin ng papa ko, binigay ng daddy ko, at doon ako nagsimula on recording myself mga pre. Actually, may video ko in-upload when I was 12 sa YouTube. Nagli-lip-sync ako ng Dance with Marry Your Daughter mga pre. If you want to watch that video that I made when I was 12, I'll just put the picture on here, no? Search nyo na lang kung yung title na tama pa ba. No, search nyo na lang yung title, ilagay ko lang dito mga pre. I stopped because I don't know what's the reason. I just stopped. I started filming myself again in college na. Nasa college na ako. Bumalik ako ng pag-vlog, yung pag-video kasi my friends and family, they encouraged me, no? They were the factors that encouraged me to vlog again, to film myself again, mga pre. That's why I'm here, vlogging. Kahit wala namang silbi yung mga sinasabi ko, at least masaya ako sa ginagawa ko, di ba? No, ito kasi yun mga pre, no? If something is your passion, you need to fight for it, no? What? It is your passion, eh. You want to do it. That's why it is called passion. No, mga pre? Because I believe in the saying mga pre, I believe in the saying na find a job that you will love and you will not have to work a day in your life, no? Tama ba ako? Tama ba ako nun? Oo, tama ako. I'm always right, diba? Find a job that you will love and you will not have to work a day in your life. And that's really true mga pre, no? That's really true. I also, and myself mga pre, no? I have this mindset na positive mindset. And what do I mean by positive mindset ba? And I mean by this positive mindset is, alam ko na magiging successful ako someday. But hindi ko alam kung paano ko gawin yan. I don't know how to achieve that, but I know I will achieve that. No? Positive mindset lang mga pre. And it's really effective mga pre if you have a positive mindset, no? Because a famous vlogger once said, Kong TV, my idol, si Kong TV yung idol ko. Ito yung kasi yung sinabi niya eh. If you have a positive mindset, ito kasi yun. Your thoughts will be your words. mga pre. And those words will turn into actions. And those actions will turn into reality. I 100% no. I 100% agree to that. If you have a positive mindset, you will have positive outcome. And if you will have a negative mindset, you will have a negative outcome, of course. Let me elaborate mga pre no. Let me elaborate. Let me give you an example. Example mga pre, you are a singer, no? You are a singer and you are about to perform on a stage. Thousands of people on stage. Let's say Pilipinas Got Talent, no? And if you have a negative mindset mga pre, no? Negative mindset na baka hindi ako magaling, hindi ako nila gusto, no? Yung pag ganyan. Of course, anong mangyayari? You will panic, and if you will panic mga pre, and you're a singer, you will not perform at your best. You understand me? Because you're insecure, no? You're insecure. You're not having a positive mindset. You don't have the confidence and you don't believe in yourself. And of course, what is the outcome? Pangit, di ba? Hindi mo nalabas yung galing mo talaga. Hindi mo napalabas yung best mo, no? Kaya, yun. A negative mindset equals a negative outcome. And how about kung positive yung mindset mo, di ba? Kung positive yung mindset mo mga pre, you will have a positive outcome. Example, just like what I said, that example na singer ka sa Pilipinas Got Talent. If you have a positive mindset, you will have the confidence, you will have the courage, and you believe in yourself, no? Because confidence is always the key mga pre. Ito yung lagi kong sinasabi sa channel ko eh. Confidence is always the key. If you have confidence and if you believe in yourself, no? Then, of course, you will perform at your best, your highest level, yung galing mo talaga, no? And if you give your best mga pre, you did your best, no? So, in short mga pre, a positive mindset, no, is equal to a positive outcome. So, just think positively always mga pre, because in every situation, there will always be a good one. In every situation, no matter how bad it is, there will always be happiness. No? So, just think positively. And maybe you're asking, it's easy to say but hard to do, no? Napakadaling sabihin na mag-isip ka lang na maganda, napakahirap namang gawin, di ba? But I'll tell you this mga pre. Oo nga, mahirap nga. It's very hard to do it mga pre. It's very hard just to think positively even though masama na yung sitwasyon, yung pakalala ng sitwasyon. But it's possible, no? It's hard but it's possible. It's easy to say it than to do it. I know. It's very hard to do it mga pre. So, there's a chance na you can do it. Just believe in yourself and just be confident. Yun lang. Ubusan ako ng laway. Because nothing is impossible except mulupad ka. Kaya kay pako, di ba? So mga pre, kidding aside, nothing is impossible because the word itself says I'm possible. So mga pre, babalik na ako ng bahay kasi maglalaba pa ako. And anong oras na, hindi ko alam kasi wala akong dalang relo. So uwi na akong bahay mga pre, we'll just do, paano ba ito? We'll just teleport mga pre, no? For fast transportation mga pre, we'll just teleport. So, wait Yun! So, nandito na ako ulit sa bahay mga pre. Thank you for watching this video mga pre. Hanggang dito na lang tayo, no? I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Hope you had learned something, no? Medyo emotional ako dun. So mga pre, let's just spread good vibes, happy vibes mga pre. Peace out!
What is that yun mga pre, no?
Basta balik ka.
This is Teo mga pre, no? Gagaw ni Algie, no? No?
Tagalog pa. Tagalog ako eh.
Alam nyo, mga pre, no? Oh, ito na Tagalog ko.
Yan lang sa WhatsApp yung mga pre, no?